The frequency of watering vegetables in containers depends on various factors, including the type of vegetable, the size of the container, the prevailing weather conditions, and the specific requirements of the plant. However, some general guidelines can help you determine an appropriate watering schedule. 1. Check the soil moisture. Before watering, check the soil moisture by inserting your finger into the soil. If it feels dry to the touch, it's time to water. If it's still moist, hold off on watering for a little longer. 2. Monitor the weather. Weather conditions affect how quickly the soil dries out. On hot, sunny days, containers may require more frequent watering compared to cooler, overcast days. 3. Establish a routine. While it's important to be adaptable, establishing a regular watering routine can help maintain consistent moisture levels. For instance, watering daily or every other day might be necessary during hot, dry spells. 4. Use self-watering containers. Consider using self-watering containers, which can help maintain consistent moisture levels by providing a reservoir for the plants to draw from as needed. 5. Mulching. Mulching the top layer of the container's soil can help retain moisture, reducing the frequency of watering. 6. Pay attention to plant needs. Different vegetables have different water requirements. Research the specific needs of the vegetables you are growing to ensure you are providing the appropriate amount of water. Remember that overwatering can be just as harmful as underwatering. It can lead to root rot and other fungal diseases. Observing the plants closely and understanding their specific requirements is crucial to maintaining a healthy balance. I hope you like this information. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and share this video with your friends and family.